Hello everyone, so today we're going to be installing a HP T3600 XL, another one, and this time it's going to be just upstairs, just in one of our customers who is using an older HP machine, and we're going to replace it with this one right behind me, and we're going to see how they unbox and prepare the machine for transport. So right now this is Mr. Kwang, and Kwang is going to be opening the HP DesignJet machine. He's going to be unstrapping it. Right, so Kwang is getting ready to open up the box along with my colleague Aditya. Alright, it's quite light, guys, you don't have to worry. It's super easy to put up. So I just want to show you guys what was the previous model that the customer has kind of traded up to. This was the very revolutionary HP DesignJet T3600, which really was ahead of its time because it featured a scanner on top over here, where you could make copies and you could print. This machine is rather old, actually. It's lasted a number of years, so the customer has now decided to upgrade and take use of our ongoing promotions to get the HP DesignJet T3600 instead. Alright, so now we're going to get the machine down from the pallet using some manpower strength. That machine is about I believe it's 120 kilograms, 130 kilograms. Not that heavy, slightly lighter than our page-wide machines. Page-wide machines are the high performance series. There's one right behind me over here, which is really a massive, powerful printing machine. It can print up to 30 A1s per minute. Roll, 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 roll. See how it holds? Even though it's made just from cardboard. Really interesting design. Perfect.
It's a very huge office.
Oh, so nice.
Inside out there, so much
Wow.
plants. Yeah, go inside. Wow.
Look at how beautiful this office is. It's absolutely beautiful. Stunning. Wow. Wow. Alright, so Kwang has got the machine started up. It is updating the firmware right now. So this is the screen I was telling you guys about. It's a massive screen, a 15-inch screen, so you can easily see your scans and interact with the machine very easily with this. And yep, I think this machine comes with 2 drawers, so we can load a total of 175 times 175 8 for 1 paper, right? And just lastly, just putting back the covers together, and then we're good to go.
He want photo paper.
Oh,
He got do photo design.
so we have completed the installation here, and just going through the last part of the training. It's found its new home. We did a simple test print. Alright, so till we meet again next time, it's Marco signing out.